on my friendship with nature. We lived in Mumbai. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we shifted back to our native place in Kerala. In Kerala, we live in a small village where there are a lot of greenery. I enjoyed a lot moving around the trees, playing with my pets, and observing stars and moon at night. I never enjoyed this when I was in Mumbai. So living in my native place helped me in creating a bond with nature. We live in the most beautiful planet, Earth, it has very clean and attractive nature and full of greenery. Nature is our best friend. It provides us all the resources we need to stay here. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe,